Hi, I'm Nikhil from Technary.com, and today we have important news. So Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is available on sale in India. So the smartphone Redmi Note 9 Pro Max was launched earlier this year. It is once again now available in the online flash sale. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This phone is having a large display of 6.67 inches, Full HD plus IPS display. It comes with 1080 by 2400 pixels of screen resolution. The phone is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC. Also having a Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU, good for gamers as well. It comes with 8 GB RAM and has internal storage of 128 GB. There is also expandable micro SD card slot which supports up to 512 GB memory. It has quad rear camera setup. The phone comes with 64 megapixels primary camera, 8 megapixels image sensor with ultra wide angle lens, 5 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It also has AI portraiture. User can enjoy selfies and video calling using the 32 megapixels front camera. The phone also has various connectivity features which include 4G, VoLTE, Bluetooth version 5.0, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C port, infrared and also a 3.5 mm headphone jack. There is a fingerprint sensor on the side of the smartphone. The phone comes with 5020 mAh battery capacity and has 33-watt fast charging. It is available in Interstellar Black, Aurora Blue and Glacier White color variants. The price of the smartphone, so it is having three variants. So price for 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage is INR 16,999. 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage has price of INR 18,499, and the price for 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage is INR 19,999. So these are the pricing of the smartphone. So it is available today on online flash sale. If you want to purchase this smartphone, looks promising smartphone under 20,000 rupees budget, do check out the link in the description below. So that's it from our side. Keep visiting technary.com. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for such interesting tech news and gadget reviews in the future. Kindly hit the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.